eBay, what's its secret? Its mix of auctions, fixed price listing, and global reach keeps both e-commerce pros and casual buyers coming back. In this tutorial, we'll show how Python and proxies along with Requests and BeautifulSoup let you scrape product data quickly and efficiently. To follow along, you'll need Python 3, a code editor like Visual Studio Code, and proxy credentials from DataImpulse. Install the libraries Requests, BeautifulSoup, XML, and optionally Pandas using pip. On some systems, you might need to type Python 3 instead of Python. Finally, create a project folder and initiate a virtual environment with these commands. Start by searching for a product on eBay. Let's use smartphones. Copy the search URL for your code. Every product on the page has details like title, price, description, and image that we can extract. Inspect the page with developer tools to see how products are structured in HTML. Each item has identifiers like class names, which we will use to locate data. Open Visual Studio Code, create a new file, eBay scraping.py, and start coding. Add your proxy credentials to authenticate requests either before or after headers. Headers, especially the user agent, make your request look like it's coming from a real browser, reducing blocks or CAPTCHAs. Now that our proxy is set up, it's time to build the full scraper. We'll use requests to fetch the page and BeautifulSoup to parse the HTML. After collecting the data, we save it in the structure format as a CSV file using Python CSV dict writer with defined columns names. If you want to copy it, just visit our website, click the link below. The Visual Studio Code terminal will show the list of smartphones with their details. For convenience, open the file eBay results for CSV to see all the extracted data, easy and organized just as you need. Scraping platforms like eBay can trigger CAPTCHA, pagination challenges, rate limits, or blocks from genetic headers. Using rotating proxies are realistic user agents. Strings is crucial in such a situation. In this tutorial, we scraped eBay product data and export results to CSV. For reliable scraping, use DataImpulse proxies and respect eBay's terms of service. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos!